Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Welcome, mythical beasts. Today, we're diving into the bizarre world of food phobias. You won't believe some of these. From the fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of your mouth, we've all been there, right? To the fear of chopsticks. We're uncovering the strangest, most surprising food phobias out there. Get ready to be amazed, maybe a little grossed out, and definitely hungry for more. This one's a doozy, folks. The fear of food itself. That's right, Cibophobes experience intense anxiety and fear at the mere thought of eating. Pucker up, mythical beasts! Or maybe don't, if you're an Acerophobe. These folks can't handle sourness. Lemons, forget about it. Chicken, more like frightening. Alektorophobes have an aversion to chicken. Tastes like chicken doesn't fly with these folks. Chapter 4, Mycophobia. Mushrooms, those little fungi friends, or foes. Mycophobes would say foes. They have an intense fear of mushrooms. Chapter 5, Alektorophobia. Garlic lovers, beware. Alektorophobia is the fear of garlic. That's right, that pungent little bulb sends shivers down their spines. Chapter 6, Alektorophobia. This one's relatable, folks. Alektorophobia is the fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of your mouth. We've all been there, right? Chapter 7, Carnophobia. Meat eaters, look away. Carnophobia is the fear of meat. No juicy steaks or sizzling bacon for these folks. Chapter 8, Cibophobia, also known as SweeTarts. This one's a double whammy. The fear of food and eating. Cibophobia makes mealtime a nightmare. Chapter 9, Alektorophobia. Chopsticks, those elegant utensils or instruments of terror. Alektorophobes tremble at the sight of chopsticks. Chapter 10, Jumophobia. Taste buds, you're on notice. Jumophobia is the fear of taste. Imagine a world without flavor. Chapter 11, Ichthyophobia. Fish out of water, more like fish out of the question. Ichthyophobes have a fear of fish. No sushi for these folks. Chapter 12, Alektorophobia. Veggies, you're not safe either. Alektorophobia is the fear of vegetables. Broccoli? No way, Jose. Chapter 13, Mycophobia. Calling all takeout lovers, Mycophobia is the fear of cooking. No Michelin stars for these folks. Chapter 14, Acerophobia. Shellfish, you're officially scary. Acerophobia is the fear of shellfish. Shrimp, lobster, crabs, all off the menu. Chapter 15, Phagophobia. Last but not least, Phagophobia, the fear of swallowing. This one's no joke, folks. It makes eating a real challenge. And there you have it, folks. Which of these food phobias surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weird and wonderful content. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and most importantly, stay mythical.